Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with the Trade of the Day from October the 2nd, 2019, here at Grok Trade, or the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. Hey, this was on E-Trade. That's right. A big, huge battle here over commissions here, starting on Tuesday to take its beating on all of the trading platforms out there. E-Trade is not any of the least. So this was on E-Trade. Let's take a look here at it. At opening here, it was down dramatically, and then it started to recover. It can right up here, this gray line right here, that is the closing line from the prior day where it dropped like 15, 17%, something like that. And now, and then it was getting higher swing lows. So this is what we call an ascending triangle. However, look at how many times it came up here to that closing line and almost crossed it. So again, the closing line is the biggest memory on the market. We teach that, and sure enough, look at that. How many times? What, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a couple here on the 5th time getting ready to hit that line. And then I noticed something else here. So we noticed that it was also getting higher swing highs here. This is called a rising wedge. If you want to know more about a rising wedge, go to our free site, free online, tradingeducation.com. And go to our free chart school. Right there it says chart school, and you want to come down here to the different chart patterns, and we want a rising wedge. By the way, the rising wedge is a bearish formation. That's right, it's a bearish formation, and it's a rising wedge right there. And here's a picture of it. If you take a look at it here, we've got it's going up with getting higher swing highs but higher swing lows, and it's pinching up here, and if it breaks below that line there, oh, the odds are in your favor. It's going to go down, and it's going to go down with a lot of strength. So we noticed that, and you could have set up a short trade right there. So let's take a look here, and let's see what happened next year. If you set up a short trade, bam, you would have been in. Not only were you in, take a look at the volume down here. Again, these are marks that I made during the trade. Look at the huge volume when it did break down from there. That's a very positive sign. Hit that 50 moving average and then smashed right through it, and then it started to base down here. Now again, I missed this trade. We were right near the end of the day, just about 11 o'clock, and had lots of trades this day, almost 16 of them. And here it was basing right here at the 3620 area. But one of our team members, Allie, who is very new to trading, by the way, has been through our mentoring program, and as she was sitting there, she went ahead and set up her trade right here, let the market come to her, and sure enough, bam, it did drop down again here, right there, bam, and she got in at 3611. 3611. Allie is now short at that point, and we as a room then were watching it here. Again, it was near the end of the day, and it started to fall down. So she's bringing her stop down, about to break even now, and go look at this, bam, 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 bam. But then it low base down here, and when it low based, she went ahead and she took out half at 35.77 for 0.9% on the first half. Then she changed the number of shares in her second half stop, and she put it right up here. So it's in the money. So it's a guaranteed income trade at this point. Let's see, is this going to continue to drop? By the way, the market had started to drop as well at this moment as well. So it has some support for going short. And then bam, bam, oh, look at that, going down nice. So she said that she began to follow this 8 EMA on the way down, right there. Look at that, now it's coming down here. She's keeping this 8 EMA and bringing it down. And then notice here, and again, these are marks that I had from when we were walking through the trade together as a class. And look at it, bam, up here. This is the 200 moving average. We call it big red. The 200 moving average right at 35.50, and said, well, that could be a possible line of support there. She's bringing her stop down here on right just above that 8 EMA area, and so you bring it down, and look at that right here at that big red. It pierced it, did not go below the 200 moving average. Again, these are 1 minute candles, and then she's still in. Very good. Feeling real good about this. Maybe the sucker is going to drop even more, and boom, there, look at that. Look at the volume that came in, and kaboom, just exploded to the upside, stopping her out at 35.59 for 1.4% on the second half. So let's take a look at this whole trade. Again, it was a rising wedge, which is a bearish formation, broke down on big volume, and then it low based here for a while. So Allie picked up on, hey, a secondary entry would be if this were to break the low base. She got in and it fell down here. When it stalled again, she took out half, giving her a chance for her winner to run the second half there while locking in some profit. In the money stop gave her a guaranteed income trade. Now it was a matter if she was going to make money, it's a matter of how much she could get out of it. And it fell down here to the 200 moving average, was not able to look at, didn't close below it, pierced it twice, didn't close below it, and then boom, the volume came in and she was out for a total trade of 1.15% in 18 minutes. Hooah! So this was just one of many trades that we had in there. Now, I've got a big announcement to make here. We are setting up an online trading club called the Grok Trade Trading Club. We're going to meet on Saturday mornings, and we're looking at joining this Saturday morning. If you are interested at all in being in it, go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. And now on the main page here, let's move this over just a little bit here. Sorry about that. Here, groktrade.com. You just go all the way near the bottom of this page. This talks about our different mentoring programs, our day trading chat room, and the other things. There's some free webinars you can take. But right here, the Grok Trade Trading Club going to meet on selected Saturday mornings. We're going to just ask people to chip in $5 while we do it to help cover costs. And for 1 to 2 hours, you'll be with like-minded traders. We'll talk very frankly about the market and what's going on, not only with the market but with individual strategies that we're using at this time. We even talk about our Stock Picks V newsletter and some other services that we have. Get a chance to talk about these things. It's some real shop talk. So if you're at all interested, please put your first name and email right here, and we will get this thing going. Again, 9 o'clock Eastern time is when we're going to try to start this. I know it's 6 o'clock on the West Coast, but at least to start this out on a Saturday morning, we're going to try it at 9 o'clock here for the first one. So if you're interested at all in the Grok Trade Trading Club, it's online, so you can do it from the comfort of your own home through Zoom. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember, at Grok Trade, we like to set our trades and let the market come to us so we get the high probability entries. Trade well.